What's going on, guys? It's the G35 channel, and today I'm going to show you how to paint your grill gloss black with the professional finish. Let's get straight into the video. Now, what you're here for. How I painted this was with a real automotive paint and spray gun. I did not rattle can this, and in this video I'm going to go over what products you need to get this exact finish for your grill. So the first product that you will want to buy is this primer by SEM. It is a high build primer, and what that means is it'll fill in most of the imperfections on your grill. The next decision you will have to make is, are you going with base coat and clear coat or acrylic enamel? I decided to go with acrylic enamel. It gives you this shiny finish without the need of putting clear over. I did go ahead and go with 3 coats. When you use acrylic enamel, you have to use a hardener and a reducer. And here are all the products that you will need to copy my exact finish. Here is a close-up of the exact black color I used. Here has all the specs you will need to match the exact color. Now, can we just admire how this grill absolutely sheens in the light when walked around? And mind you guys, this is in overcast conditions. When it's absolutely sunny, this grill is stunning. I really like the look of the gloss black grill. It just seemingly disappears while rolling down the road. That completes my video on how to paint your G35 grill and get a professional finish. Remember guys, always stay positive.